So hungry after a busy morning chopping the heck out of all of these pallets and making things. What could I have to eat? I need something healthy but filling at the same time. I know! This is the place for me to fill up food that's both tasty and healthy. Burbage's, the greatest bakery this side of the English Channel, and for that matter well beyond it. Oh no, the place is closed. If only I had some way to make my own well-beaten cakes and Danish pastries. Aha! You see, viewers, there are times when you discover that your favourite cake shop is closed and you can't get hold of your usual batch of well-beaten Danish pastries. But with a chainsaw, you're never stuck for a solution. Chainsaw, flour, eggs, jam, sugar and thick and indulgent cream, plus a mixing bowl, and you're sorted. And it just so happens that this chainsaw comes with a special set of attachments for just this emergency. All I have to do is fit these in here, find myself a recipe on the old iPad, and away I go. Well viewers, there you go, a lovely assortment of cakes. And who would have thought that with just a chainsaw, a couple of old pallets, some humble ingredients and some helpful know-how from the boffins on the internet, you could knock together a beautiful, well-beating assortment of cakes like these. Probably. You're not still filming, are you? Turn the camera off! Turn it off! Ah.